Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making a Tia Maria Gáteau. The first thing I'm going to do is sieve my flour onto a piece of greaseproof paper. And coffee. In my bowl, I'm going to whisk together sugar and eggs. I'm going to whisk them until they become thick and mousse-like. I'm now going to add in my flour and coffee and fold it in using a metal spoon. I'm now going to take my mixture and add it into my 8-inch cake tin. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. I'm now going to bake my cake in the centre of the oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until when pressed on it springs back slightly. In my bowl, I'm going to mix together a soft cheese and clear honey. Now that my cream cheese has gone smooth, I'm going to add stemmed ginger and Tia Maria, or if you haven't got Tia Maria, you can use coffee liqueur. Now my cake has cooled down, I'm going to cut it in half. I'm now going to take my filling and spread it over my cake. I'm going to place the top of my cake back on. The first thing I'm going to do is sieve my icing sugar. I'm now going to add in my coffee. And I'm going to add enough water just to make the icing. I have taken taken 3/4 of my icing and placed it on my cake. I'm now going to take some cocoa powder and add it into my remaining icing. I'm now going to take my chocolate and coffee, which is called a mocha, and drizzle it over the top of my coffee cake. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.